Tron TRX crypto holders, what's the currently price of the TRX? What's the price change over in the TRX? My friend, this is the big news of the Tron. What will be the next move? And you know what, my friends, today is the last day of the June month and it is the last news of the June month. My friends, just keep watch this video complete, and before starting this video, please I request everyone to please subscribe my channel and also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. So my friends, in this time, if we talk about the price of the TRX Tron, so now in this time the price of the TRX is 0.066031 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the TRX. Furthermore, you can see if you look the price changes of the TRX, so now this time the last 1 hour changes of the TRX is positive 0.5%, the last 1 day change is negative 1.39%, and the last 1 week change so in the TRX is 59.82%. The changes of the TRX is positive, my friends, and you can see, my friends, only the yesterday the price of TRX is falls down for some time, but now the latest change of the TRX is again positive. You can see here the latest change is positive, my friends. So I'm feeling very good about the TRX, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about TRX? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos, my friends. At this time, I really recommend for all of you that please buy more and more TRX. You know what? I also predicated the TRX coin that TRX will take a huge pump in the start of July, and throughout this whole July month, the price of the TRX will be positive, my friends. So absolutely, TRX will give you a good amount of profit. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for update and news videos.